Hi students, welcome back. So in the previous video, I explained what exactly the communication in distributed system, what are the different types of communication. Now let me explain you the communication protocol. What is the different types of communication protocols? You know already the different types of communications are the message oriented communication, RPC, RMI, and the stream oriented communication. But I am talking about the communication protocol. What does it mean? So what is a protocol? You know that the protocols are nothing but the rules on communication. Rules on communication. That means it is going to tell how the communication is going to be established and from where to where the message has to be transferred. Is there any condition to transfer that message? Is the message is safely sent to the sender receiver or not? Is there any message loss is there? Means some protocols will be there. Means set of rules that has to be followed. When to give acknowledge, when to give the request, when to give the reply. So these are all a set of rules that will help for the communication. So the communication protocol, it's a protocol is nothing but the rules on that communication. So these protocols can be a connection oriented or connectionless. The one thing that you have to be remember that the protocols could be a connection oriented or a connectionless. Okay, so protocol that rules may be a connection oriented. The rules can be established on connection oriented or connectionless. Means the communication may be a connection oriented communication or it may be a connectionless communication. Okay, so you already know how the communication is going to be established over the connection oriented or the connectionless. So there are different layers that are present in each and in the communication there are different layers will be present. That is, let me write, you already know that. Let me take the fresh page so that you can understand OSI layer. So the OSI layer is one of the most important layer that we used for the communicate. Means the message can be transferred from sender to the receiver with the help of this OSI layer. So the OSI layer totally consisting of 7 layers. The 7 layers. So that is application layer, presentation, session, transport, network, data link layer, and the physical layer. So these are all total 7 layers that are present in the OSI. Okay, so this is a machine A. Let's take this is a machine A. Machine A. So now here another machine, that is, let me call machine B, is there. So this machine is also having the 7 layers, because whenever the communication is going to be established, these 7 layers are performing an operation to transfer the data. Okay, so now here this machine A requests something and this machine B is going to be respond. Okay, and here this is the first layer, the physical layer, we call it as a first layer, second layer, third layer, fourth, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so here in between this machine A and the machine B, the sender and the receiver or the sender or whatever it may be. So here a set of protocols will be established. Means how the application layer is going to send the message to the machine B. So this communication we call it as application protocol. Means set of rules on applications. And the same way, the set of rules on presentation protocol, and set of rules on session protocol, transport protocol, in the same way network protocol, data link layer protocol, and the physical layer protocol. Okay, so this is an OSI layer. So whenever we require a communication, so whatever the communication, whether you are taking RPI or RMA, whatever you are taking, the message can be transferred with the help of this OSI layer. So application, presentation, session, transport, network, data link, physical. Okay, so this is the communication protocols. The communication protocols are of different types of communication protocols: application, presentation, session, transport, network, data link, and physical protocol. So in the next video, I'll explain each and every protocol, that is a layered protocol, in brief. Thank you.